On today's video, we're doing ribeye steaks with homemade garlic butter sauce. So this is a quick cook, so we're just gonna jump right into it. We got the Weber running in the background, and this is gonna be super simple, super easy, and super fast. All right, so we're gonna rub these down with a little bit of our prime rub and a little bit of our classic steak, but hey, that's what we do. You do, whatever you got at the house. And don't be afraid to get a little bit on these. This stuff right here, it's got active charcoal in it, so it's gonna give you that nice flavor, but we're cooking on the Weber anyway, so it doesn't really matter, it just helps. And the garlic flavor on it is insane. And I always like to, put a little bit on the board too, because this is how I'm gonna get the edges. And now we just hit the other side. And when you're cooking steak for this many people, 4 to be exact, these are small steaks, so it's like 4 children. I think I could probably eat 2 of them. But you get the gist. Times are a little tough right now. We're all on a budget. And now, let's get them to the Weber. So what we have here is a full charcoal chimney of royal oak briquettes. You're not grabbing my face in any of that, are you?
Yes, I was.
We this whole thing up. So what we have here is a full charcoal chimney of royal oak briquettes. All right, so we have our Weber running at nuclear, because that's what we want. Now I'm just putting these steaks over here against the edge. I want them away from the heat. This is what we call indirect. Charcoal's over there, steaks over here. For these, I have a probe. It's gonna make your life a lot easier. Just put that sucker right in that steak right there and put the lid on it. Now for these, I'm gonna set this to 70 degrees. So the second that steak hits 70 degrees, it's not 70 degrees, that was a false alarm. They're 55 right now. The second they hit 70, I'm gonna pull the lid open, let the charcoals get roaring, and I'm gonna sear the balls off of them. Because I'm shooting for like 125 with these. So I gotta bring that temp down. So 70, that gives us what, 55 degrees to play with? Should be golden. And just like that 70, now I'm telling you right now, this took less than 5 minutes, but it's also the Weber. She's efficient. Boop. Pull that little sucker out, turn that off. Get you one of these. This is the Thermopin Dot. We sell these at our storefront if you're in town, or you can just buy them on the internet. Come on, turn it off, you piece of I have my pan ready. Now, what I like to do is let this stay open for just a few minutes and let them charcoals get ripping. Are you showing the B-roll of the ripping right now, Wes?
I can.
The ripping charcoals? Yeah, hell yeah, man, we do what we want. This is what I love about the Weber, man. It makes it happen. And the best flavor. Oh my gosh, the best flavor. Look at them babies. They already got color on them. My other Thermopin. I'm gonna nail these. I'm gonna nail these like a split hog. Oh, there's 45 seconds. Now we flip. Woo! Come on now. Come on now. Now, I want to check the temp here. I'm at 106. It's gonna be perfect. I don't care what happens. Hey Siri, set a timer for 35 seconds. We might have to flip. Flip again. If we flip again, we flip again. Looks good, doesn't it? Not hot. Now we clean it off, we do it again. All right, so we're gonna make our garlic butter sauce. So we have a 1/2 cup of salted butter, or 1 stick. And I'm putting 1/4 of that in. Just let it start melting. We have garlic, we have lime. We're gonna actually use the lime juice, and we have some parsley, and then we're gonna season it with some SPG. I don't know why I keep calling it lime. This is a lime, apparently. It's a lemon. Garlic butter sauce with lemon, not lime. Anywho, it's gonna be good. And we'll have the recipe down in the description or over on kosmosq.com. Now, we add the garlic. And you're only gonna cook this for 30, 45 seconds, just till you start smelling it. You don't wanna burn it. The garlic's toasting in there, you can smell it, you can look at it and see that it's turning a little bit golden brown. You don't wanna burn it. Add the rest of your butter. Juice of 1/2 a lemon, not a lime. We're gonna season it with some SPG, but you use what you got. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Add your parsley flakes. Chopped parsley. Take it off the heat. Oh, look at this. You see this, Wes? You see what I'm seeing, Wessel? They smell freaking amazing. Oh, dude, come on. Look at that perfect color. That's the one thing about the Weber, man. You gotta know it, inside and out. Man, that lime, you can really tell it cuts that butter and punches through. What? Man, that lemon really punches through the butter and just cuts through that fatty and just really punches this steak. A+ recipe right here. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Like this. That's what we're doing.
Oh.
Yeah, we're starting a video right now. And now, we just put them on the smoker. No, let me do that again. 69. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.